Hi everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Guides. In this tutorial I will show you how to completely uninstall a program from your PC. So the first thing we do is type Control Panel in the lower left corner, then left click Control Panel. If yours doesn't look like mine, it looks something like this probably, or maybe like this. Then you just need to change it to Category, and then you click on Uninstall a program. In here, you need to choose the program you want to uninstall, double click it, and click Uninstall. Now, a pop-up message will appear. You just press Yes, then you click on Close, and the program is deleted. There is also another way. We type Apps and Features in the lower left corner, and then we search for the program in this small search bar here. Then left click, uninstall, uninstall, and uninstall again. Then we say yes on the pop-up and we hit close, and that's actually it. There is also a more advanced way of uninstalling a program and then also deleting the files, the leftover files, because every program has some files that are left on your PC even after you uninstall it, the normal way that I showed. So for this one, we're going to use a program called Revo Uninstaller. I'll leave a link in the description. So basically what it does is it scans your computer and sees all your installed programs. This might take a while, so let's give it some time. Once it's done, you'll get a search bar on top and you can search for your program in there. Double click it, uncheck this box if you want, and then click on continue. Now you get two windows. One of them is the regular one, just to uninstall the program. You just proceed with it and close. Now the program is gone. But then you have this one where it will actually scan your computer to see if there are any leftover files from that program. And as you can see here, there are quite a few. You just need to check them. And on the bottom there is one more. You check that as well. And then you can click on delete. Okay, and there's also the file path and some files in there, so this can be deleted too. Now everything from this program is completely removed from your computer. Thank you for watching, guys. This is it for today's video. If you liked it and it was helpful, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.